Here's a fun fact to start with. Did you know that Aglaonema, also called the Chinese evergreen, isn't just green anymore? Over the past few years, plant breeders have created vibrant red, pink, and even orange varieties that look like living artwork. They're easy to grow, low maintenance, and perfect for adding color to your home, even if you don't have the brightest light. So today, we're going through the 10 most colorful Aglaonema varieties you can grow in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Aglaonema Siam Aurora, a total showstopper. With bright red edges and deep green centers, this one brings warmth to any room. It's super popular because it can handle low light and still stay colorful. Just keep it away from cold drafts. They hate the chill. 2. Aglaonema Super Red. This one is all about that pinkish red glow. The leaves look like they've been painted with sunset colors. It's compact, easy to care for, and loves bright, indirect light. Perfect for desks or coffee tables. 3. Aglaonema Pink Dalmatian. Just like its name, pink splashes all over green leaves. Each leaf has a different pattern, so no two are ever the same. It loves humidity, so if your room feels dry, give it a light misting once or twice a week. 4. Aglaonema Prestige. This variety is bold, coral pink leaves with dark green edges. It's one of the few indoor plants that keeps its color even under fluorescent lighting. Great for offices or spaces without natural sunlight. 5. Aglaonema Red Valentine. The leaves are heart-shaped and blush pink with green borders. It almost looks romantic. It's easy to grow, but if you want deeper pink tones, give it medium to bright light. The more light, the brighter the pink. 6. Aglaonema Creta. A classy one, with shades of red, pink, and green all blending beautifully. Creta is perfect if you want a plant that looks lush but doesn't need constant attention. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry. 7. Aglaonema Maria Cristina. For a cooler vibe, this one brings elegant silver blue tones. It's not as flashy, but the silvery leaves catch light beautifully. It's also one of the toughest Aglaonemas, great for beginners. 8. Aglaonema Pink Moon. This one's fairly new and trending in 2025. Soft pink veins spread across glossy green leaves, giving it a dreamy look. It's great for tabletops or bedside stands. Bonus tip: wipe the leaves occasionally to keep that shine. 9. Aglaonema Red Emerald. Rich red leaves with a touch of emerald green, absolutely gorgeous. It grows fast too, so you'll see new colorful leaves almost every month. Make sure it's in well-draining soil and don't overwater. 10. Aglaonema Pictum Tricolor, a collector's favorite. It looks like camouflage art with patches of dark green, light green, and cream. This one's rarer and prefers medium to bright light. If you can find it, it's a gem to show off. Extra tips. Alright, before you rush to buy your favorite one, here are a few quick Aglaonema care tips. Light. Most colorful types love bright, indirect light. Too little light equals dull colors. Water. Let the soil dry halfway before watering. They hate soggy roots. Humidity. Average home humidity is fine, but they'll thank you for an occasional mist. Propagation tip. You can easily grow new ones by cutting a healthy stem and rooting it in water or moist soil. So, which Aglaonema stole your heart today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorites. And if this video helped you pick your next plant baby, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more plant care guides and variety spotlights. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep growing, keep glowing, and may your Aglaonema stay bright and happy.